Yeah. So hello everyone, it's day 55 of 100 days of posting. Today let's talk about urgency. Now urgency is something like which to do something, or we get the sense of urgency when we are not prepared to that particular thing, or we have not like say structured our day in that accordance. Like kabhi kabhi kya hota hai, we generally get the some office task, maybe we have to deliver that particular thing, like say in that particular evening, or maybe we have to deliver that particular thing in 4 hours. But in that sense of emergency, or in that sense of urgency, right, we generally try to deliver, or we try to generally think 100 thoughts at once. So उस चीज में क्या होता है, we can't deliver the quality works. So in that particular sense, or to develop that particular sense of urgency and deliver the positive outcome, what we should do is we just need to think through, like just give me a minute of like say 5 or 10 minutes, and just think through, like think the positive outcomes, think the negative outcomes, and just think about that particular thing just for 10 minutes. I am not denying the fact कि तुमको वो चीज़ जल्दी करना है यार, तुमको वो चीज़ urgently deliver करना है. It could be anything, it could be any action you have to take on certain things, but you just think through that particular thing, because अगर तुम वो चीज़ जल्दी से कुछ भी करके दोगे तो यू अगेन हैव टू वर्क ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग, एंड उस चीज़ में जो तुम्हारा पहले वाला जो शेड्यूल है यार, जो तुम चीज़ें प्लान कर रहे हो वो भी नहीं होगा. सो यू जस्ट हैव अ सेंस ऑफ अर्जेंसी एंड just have a 5 or 10 minutes of thing and give on think through that particular thing. So I hope this helps. Please do let me know if there are suggestions. And the quote for today is like whatever you do, the sense of you must always have the sense of urgency and the commitment, and just give 100% of in that particular thing. You can't just wonder or keep your mind moving around thousand things and do that particular thing. So I hope this helps. Thank you.